Hi, this is Brian. Today we're going to show you how to use your backup data. Okay, so we're going to open the data. Next thing we want to do is insert the chart. We're going to select the chart. We're going to set the range on y-axis 1 to 0 to 200. The 0 to 200 will be the temperature. Now it's time to change the plot data. This is where we're going to change the colors, make our graph look how we want it. I want the temperature to be colored red, I want the vacuum to be blue, and the humidity to be green. This is how I'm familiar with seeing it on the iDRY screen. So we want it to look similar to that so we know what we're looking at. And then we're going to change y-axis 2 to 0 to 100. And the 0 to 100 will be for the humidity. Now the raw data of the vacuum that was saved is 0 to 100, which equals the 0 to 30 inches of mercury. So you can take the raw data and divide it by 3.3, and that'll get you the actual inches of mercury vacuum. We hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.